Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Saitama. What surprise changes occur in Saitama? Let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the current price of Saitama, so the current price is about 0.0005281 USD dollar. That is the current price of Saitama. Other side, you can see the changes is completely going negative 1.04%. Oh my god, that's going crazy. But don't worry, very soon you found Saitama price changes will become positive. So don't worry, guys. Now let me show you guys the price update, and I have good news for all of you guys. Now very soon you can see trading volume negative, changes negative, but the changes is in the points decimal. 0.99% changes is negative. And now my prediction about Saitama, a lot of point I predicted, guys. What possibilities that in the last of October there is possibilities that highly the price of Saitama will pump. So just hold, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. Anyways, what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.